Jake is missing, the worse the chances get that he'll ever be found.
What are you gonna do?
Whatever I can do. I need to do something. I know that you don't like Elizabeth, but I have to help
No, wait a
somehow,
second. Lucky's
Carly.
my cousin, okay? And his son's missing, so everything that can be done should be.
Right.
You just got out on bail. If you go out there looking for Jake, it's gonna hurt your case. And maybe you don't care, but I do. All right? You're the one person in my life that can calm me down and tell me to breathe. You mean everything to me, and you're more than my best friend.
What are you two doing in here?
We were down here checking on some pipes, and everything's fine. Everything's okay.
I guess it's a good thing I came down here when I did.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Are you gonna be okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm okay.
Hey, you gotta put more guards on Carly and the boys. Jerry's back in town.
I already saw him.
And what, is he still alive?
Kate Howard showed up when I was letting Jerry know in graphic terms what I'd do to him if he came anywhere near my children.
Oh, okay, whatever. Do you think she's gonna say anything?
And I don't think so, but you know what? If Jerry turns up dead, then we may have a problem with Kate Howard. Where'd you find out that Jerry was back?
Carly called me and Jerry showed up at the house.
Did he threaten her?
You know what? I don't think so. She's mostly mad because Jerry tricked Jax into leaving town.
Okay, she had Tisha bring the kids by the house. I don't like her staying at that house by herself. I'm gonna have our people on her 24/7.
I would take care of that myself, but I gotta look for Jake.
Where are you gonna start?
With Sam.
Okay, here's the deal. I've had our people watching Sam. So far, they have no reason to believe she was involved in the disappearance.
I want to be wrong, okay? And something's a little off. Sam is not acting like herself.
Okay, you got Elizabeth pregnant. You lied about it for months. That could get Sam angry.
Angry enough to kidnap Jake?
I'm not defending Sam. You have every right to not trust her after everything she's been hiding, but you have to look at the facts. The baby was taken, what, 2 days ago from the park?
2 days ago,
okay,
yes.
Sam hasn't disappeared. She's gone to the penthouse, slept at the penthouse. She's gone to work. So if she has the kid, where's the kid?
I don't know.